Okay, traders, we took a short position in CrowdStrike, 100% overbought. You can see that big 60-minute downside bar. And not only that, when you go back to cybersecurity software, PANW, we featured it just moments ago, down $31. CrowdStrike has a lot more downside coming. It is not the leader, believe me. And we bought the put options, and we will probably make 300% profits on shorting CrowdStrike. We already took a $210 put position. The stock has rallied too far too fast. It is extremely overvalued and bigger downside coming. Sign up for that YouTube channel. Get on that YouTube. Subscribe to it. Tell your friends about it. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Use the comment section. Talk about the stocks you own. Let us help you. How much money have you been making in this market? Ask yourself that question. You want to make a boatload of money? Then start right now.